this is the unboxing for the Jordan 1 Mid. Chicago Black Toe, size 13. Those inspiration from the sneaker's 1985 roots. The distinctive color blocking is reminiscent of the OG Chicago colorway, applied to a mid-top silhouette and revised with a black finish on the perforated toe box. So here it is. Look at that. That's classic. That's so clean. Boom. The Jumpman branding. That's perfect. Yep. For me, this colorway is so balanced. You know, you can wear this with, you know, any type of clothes. I got a friend of mine actually that he says that whenever he's like wearing all black, this is the way to go. You know, it gives you so much life and so much attention to the shoes. And I don't blame him. Look at this. It's classic, but it, you know, anyway, it has so much detail into it. Look at that. Yep, definitely it's worth what it's worth. Look at that. Nike on the bottom, on the outsole. Look at that. Let's go check the other one. Boom. Just like that. And it feels so good to the touch as well. The Air Jordan right there. Swoosh, of course. This is, you know, it's so classic, but I never get tired of it. It's so balanced, you know, it has a little bit of everything. And the perforated toe box, it gives so much life. Yep, look at that. Perfect. On the other side. It is a classic, my friends. It is a classic. That's why it's the number one, right? Where everything started. So we can see why. Let's get them both together so you guys can see how they look one next to each other. Boom. That's the top view. Let's get a little bit to the front so you guys can see every detail. Look at that. Now let's get them side by side, or one on top of each other, I should say. Yep. There we go. Boom. Simple as that. So nice. So nice. So clean. And boom. Look at that. So perfect. So clean. It's worth the buy, my friends. All right. Thanks for watching.